Oh, does that breeze feel nice? So this morning, I ran over and grabbed my daughter Riley, and we decided to come down to Banning Junction, or Banning State Park, and hike the Quarry Loop Trail. I gotta tell you, this trail is a heck of a lot nicer than those ones up in the Boundary Waters. It's like a highway. And like a little walk in the woods, huh, Riley? Huh? Not gonna say nothing? Boy, do we need rain. Everything is all dried up. I think this would be a nice little creek if we had any rain to actually fill it up. So the Quarry Loop Trail is what, Riley, 4.1 miles? I think that's what the sign said. It takes us around to some buildings, old quarry buildings, and along the river.
This looks like a little spot for like foxes or something.
It's supposed to be an old sandstone quarry. Think we're gonna see any snakes today?
To let you jump again?
Big oak trees. I don't think this is the trail, kiddo. This is just kind of an excursion. I've seen the rocks, we had to climb them.
July, the last time I took a walk, it was literally only a block and I was tired, so this is kind of exhausting.
Well, that's good for you. Maybe you'll come out with the old man more often then.
Careful.
That one was loose.
Yeah, lucky you stepped on it before I did. Did you see what the sign said? Dead Man's Trail.
He says a little bit of elevation change.
God, you're killing me here.
Other trail is pretty flat.
I'm dying.
You're dying? I don't think so. You're young. You'll survive. I think we kind of took the roundabout way to get to those falls, but it's only a quarter mile down now, so. So what are you complaining about?
I'm tired.
Huh?
I'm tired.
You're tired? Well, one finally landed on my glasses. one little bug.
Kill him.
You ready to sit up, or do you want to sit down for a
That
sec?
crap.
Take some water?
I feel like I might have touched poison ivy or something.
Hmm?
Might have touched poison ivy or something.
Yeah, you didn't touch no poison ivy.
Oh god, I gotta stop jumping. My ankles hurt.
Your ankles hurt?
Yeah, from jumping and
Oh.
you know, landing on the rocks and stuff. Oh, that's kind of pretty though.
You want to go down there?
Not really.
I didn't think so.
Oh, it's kind of gross.
Probably why the trail goes around this way, huh?
That looks like a little fishing hole, right?
That's that Wolf Creek.
Really?
That's what I said, but it's really low. Everything is.
I think we took a wrong turn.
We didn't take a wrong turn. That's the creek right there. We got to follow that to Kettle River. Look at that, it's almost stairs.
Yeah, very steep stairs. And annoying stairs. Oh god.
Come on now. Dad's had 4 knee operations and he can still do it.
I haven't had any and I'm still a wimp.
Yes, you is. How pretty is that?
Pretty.
It's pretty. Oh, you have no emotion, do you? Are you a sociopath? Are you sure?
Why you gotta do that? Well, he's gone. God, why is it so humid over here?
What's that?
It's like even hotter over here.
Oh yeah, it's gonna be hot. The sun's hitting us now.
Not a big fan of this area. I should have worn jeans.
Oh shit. Well, you sure know how to pick the trails. Ooh, it's kind of cool.
You're joking, right?
Yeah, we can go right through it.
I'm not lying. I have sand literally everywhere. In my shoes and like.
You're whining. You are whining.
I am whining. I want out of this. Call a freaking rescue squad. I'm dying. Oh god.
Oh, come on now. You're having fun.
Yes, I am, but that doesn't stop me from dying. Somebody kill me now.
What's that?
Please keep going.
Huh?
Here you go, jerk!
Now we gotta figure out how we're getting up and over the top. I think we got some rock walls to climb here.
Yeah, we do.
Yeah. That was sort of a climb.
Let's go that way. Dad, let's go up there.
Watch the loose pine needles.
Oh my god! Freedom!
Okay, Riley, what do you think? Was that exhilarating or what?
Yes, and it sucked.
But it was fun.
Yes, it was.
That was about 200 foot of rock climbing.
With no equipment.
You had toe holds.
I was practically shaking the entire time.
Going up that rock wall.
Yeah.
Yeah, I gotta tell you guys, that was a workout. Especially for two people that don't do any type of rock climbing. Whew. Little fun, but probably not the smartest thing we've ever done. But I will say, I'm kind of glad we did. That really added to this little hike. Man, we were a ways up there. Sure hope we can get around this now. Don't have to go back up.
Everything.
Why do I gotta climb everything? Because I can. I must. If it's there, I have to conquer it. So what do you think of this trail?
My legs and back are gonna hate me for the next few days.
Is that all you have to say positive about it? Huh?
No,
Anything?
it was a very nice trail.
What did you think about the rock walls? Thought that
Terrible
was
but fun.
terrible but fun. It was a workout. Anything else about the trail you liked? How about spending time with your old man?
I was gonna say you tripping over a crap ton of stuff.
Mm.